What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Today we're at Valiant, him and Valiant on Hill Gully Riddim. Yes, with Woii. Yes, big up myself, Valiant Di Genius. Jumping on and see where Valiant deal with man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Alright, so this is the third one. So with Massacre, Elephant, now we're upon the Valley. So let's get it.
Good down a Manuel Road. She willing for rock stone. But if I can you make that roll?
hey! If you know where Valiant just see a while ago, I don't know. Go down a Manuel Road. Galam boy, go and go rock stone. Galam boy. Oh, know that? Listen again.
Good down a Manuel Road. She willing for rock stone. But if I can you make that roll?
Yo, big up top shooter. Are you shorty? Big up yourself, G.
I dance all make me feel up that only one man she no need option. Position who she fling it up punch.
Bumbo clot. A next old school visual. Look how the girls them dress and look how Valley dress.
Yes. Sit down, she a chat back. She bang, she want her fuck. We are it rough, no tender touch. She want
Bumbo clot. Y'all sang for days, man, Riddim. Y'all sang for days.
good fuck that turn her and I bet you say you want wash. I bet you say you want murder. I bet me
I wouldn't find a Jankuno suit ya. I wouldn't find a Jankuno man another. Hey!
deal with your body like a surgeon.
Him. That what this? I wouldn't find them suit ya from. Eh? Big up the production team. Big up on yourself, dog.
I bet you say you want wash. I bet you say you ball murder. A 2 round and me have to go the 3rd one.
I bet the ball murder. A 2 round and we have to go the 3rd one. 2 round gone already. First one quite not quick, but the second is a monster, and the 3rd one is gonna be monstrous. Valiant!
Can I get you in some trouble? What can make you bubble? Let me lift you like a shovel.
Bobo clat! Catch flow, pussy! Yo! Valiant doing more work. Valiant are doing more work.
What can make you bubble? Let me lift you like a shovel. After fucking we can cuddle.
Bobo clat! Valley! Eh? Me no hear no idiot song yet on the Riddim. None. The Massacre song bad. This bad. Ellis sang bad. Yo, me no hear no idiot song already. Me no hear none.
Waka, pumpkin belly. Take off your jazz, give you something heavy. She not fit talk at the dumping ready.
Bobo clat. Waka, pumpkin belly. Take off your jazz. Let me give you something heavy. Yo, wait no man. She not for ass cause it thumping ready. Another type of thumping here now. A hood in a wall. Waka, pumpkin belly. Ho.
Take off my bars and drink some.
Waka, pumpkin belly. Take off your jazz, it's thumping ready. I know what he's trying to say there. I know.
If it dark at the dumping ready, I'll suck off my bars and drink some.
Cough it and drink some jelly. Hey! Yeah, melody, You're the man a hum the bumper clock chorus. You're the man a hum the dog. Steve, this song them mix good, you fuck. Genius! We expect nothing better. Sir. This song them mix good. The video them clean. Jesus Police record. Don't spit in the book in a high school. Clean. I like it.
Sweet nanny goat
around them belly. Hey, I be all-time proverb this year. Waka, pumpkin belly. Go down a Manuel Road. Go and go broke Rockstone. Yo, I be listen. Yeah.
Was sweet nanny goat I go run our belly. From a reach to a goal I go come in belly.
Hey. My God.
The seed when me sow make you turn off silly. Say I'm man nothing no say. I bet you say you want.
The seed when me sow I got turn off. Make you turn off our silly. So our man now gonna be able to get her one time. I better say your ball, whoa.
I better say your ball, whoa. I let me deal with your body like a surgeon.
Clot. One girl can think some man. Hey. Watch out.
I better say your ball murder. I let me deal with your body like
Bombo clot, mama. I better say my ball.
like a surgeon. I better say your ball,
Whoa.
I better say your ball murder. A 2 round and me have to go to 3rd one.
What a video shot? Which part it shot? Because in the start of the video, I see one sign where me go back to it in a bit.
Girl, sit down on the bite like a pillion. Give me some brain, girl, you're brilliant.
Girl, sit down on the bike like a pillion. Give me some brain, cause you're brilliant. Smile. Blood clot, smile, mama.
Tell me how my taste, she says cinnamon. Girl, wine and brace pan for me, John. They say a man now go and 2 years.
Yo, she said the G tastes like a cinnamon.
Him there's a farm food. Me never tell you say me want you. Me doesn't give you some fuck and them call. Better say you want.
Me never tell you say me look no wife. Me never tell you say me look no relationship, mom. Me just want some fuck. Me just want to give you some fuck in your world. So come give me some. Hey, come give me some pum pum. Give me some my pum pum. Oh. Oh. Better say about boy.
I better say your ball murder. I make me deal with your body like a surgeon.
Yo, Steve, big up yourself. Me seeing all of the video them. Big up yourself. Massacre video, Ellie video, this. Big up yourself.
I better say your ball. I better say your ball murder. A 2 round and me have to go to 3rd one.
Yo, that girl, what's she there? What's she there? Me look for her. She look familiar. That girl look familiar. The girl look very familiar to me. I'm wondering if she found in any of the video them we're gone already. I don't know. Top shooter! Genius. Pick up yourself, genius. Yo. Bombo clot, genius. Yo, that really me I gonna take it somewhere. That really me I gonna be another what you feel like rhythm. WYFL rhythm. Yeah. Valiant. When it come on to girl song, bro, you have it. No joke, you have it. Yeah, man, you have it. But it's a next masterpiece from Stephen the Genius, bro. I have to big up the G, as always. Big up the ladies them in the video. Big up on yourself. Big up the youth in the Janko no suit. Big up yourself, my G. You know what go on. And you know what you do. Yeah, you know what you do. Valley. Big up yourself, my G. Top shooter. Are you giving visual? Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. I don't know what to think, but I don't know in the comment section. See down there. Also, guys, follow me over on Instagram, please. All right? I'm gonna leave a link down below. All right, please.